Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to deploy NGINX web server inside Kubernetes, expose it via a service, and route traffic using Ingress. All right, so it's fairly simple. We just got just a few commands here. Going to actually do the installation through Helm. This is the Helm repo. As you can see, it already exists because I've installed it before. The repo, that is. So here we're going to update. Okay, it's updating the repo. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to do the Ingress install. Okay, so you can see it's installed. Basically, the Ingress controller, think of it as a traffic cop at the edge of your cluster. It listens on HTTP and HTTPS and forwards requests according to rules. Okay, and we're going to confirm. We're going to clear this first. We're going to confirm that it's installed and the pods are running without any issues. You can see status is running. It's all good there. All right, so now we're going to move on to the NGINX web server. Okay. So here is the NGINX web server. You can see here, this is the, where's the image? Okay, here we go. Here's the container, here's the image, stable. So this is the web server deployment, and below here is the service. Now we're going to go back to the commands. Just going to grab this, paste it here, hit enter on that. Looks like we created the NGINX app and the NGINX app service. So we go back here, it created this app, and then the service. Okay. So as far as the service, I guess I could talk a little bit about it. Think of a service like a VIP pass. So the Ingress controller always sends traffic to the service, and the service knows which pods are currently running. Okay. So now we can confirm that the pod is running. As you can see, actually, let me clear this. Let me run it. The reason why that happened is because I ran two commands at the same time. So now we're going to run the pod first. You can see the NGINX application is running. And then see that the service is running. Import 80 has its own master IP. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the Ingress Resource. So now basically what this is going to do, we're basically telling the Ingress controller how to route traffic. And this is done via this, which is the Ingress Resource. Basically, it's the rule book. If you take a look at it, you can see that this would be the name of the host. This is how we would do the NGINX web server through myapp.local. This is the path. And this is the actual service name that we spoke about a few seconds ago, rather. This service here. And again, it's provide an access via port 80. Okay. So now we're going to hit apply on that. And that looks like it's connected. But one more thing here. Since I'm doing this locally on my local laptops, since this is not a real domain, we need to tell our machine where to send a request. So basically, we need to add this to our host file. Let me bring that over here. So this would be our host file here. I'm using Ubuntu, by the way. So I just add my host here. This is my local IP, and this is the name of the. This is my host name rather, where I'm going, and it's how I'm going to access next. So it looks like everything is already set up, ready to go. All I need to do now is open up a browser. This is the name of the host. Hit refresh. And there you go. Installed. Welcome to NGINX. All right. So hopefully it's clear and easy to follow. Leave any comments. I don't know if you have any questions or anything that might sound or might have sound confusing rather. Yeah, let me know if there's any other demos that you'd like me to